Are you ready to transform your home into a cozy autumn haven? Fall is here, and it's time to infuse your space with the warmth and beauty of the season. But how do you do that? Without breaking the bank or spending hours on DIY projects? Stay tuned as I reveal the top fall wall decor ideas that will make your home feel like a perfect autumn retreat in no time. What are the best ways to incorporate natural elements into fall wall decor? Embracing nature is key to achieving that authentic fall feel. Natural elements bring warmth, texture, and a sense of the outdoors inside your home, making your fall decor truly stand out. Wreaths, made from natural materials. Use twigs, dried leaves, pine cones, and berries to create a rustic wreath that can be hung on any wall. This not only adds an organic touch, but also brings in the beautiful colors of fall. Wooden accents. Incorporate wooden shelves, frames, or art pieces to add a natural, earthy vibe to your walls. Reclaimed wood, in particular, enhances the rustic charm that fall is known for. 3. Pressed leaf art. Gather colorful fall leaves, press them, and frame them to create simple yet stunning wall art that celebrates the season's natural beauty. Want more nature-inspired decor ideas? Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Art from the internet. Frame these prints for an instant seasonal upgrade at a fraction of the cost. Natural gatherings. Collect pine cones, branches, and leaves from outside. Arrange them creatively on your walls for free, natural decor that embodies the essence of autumn. Found this helpful? Hit the like button and share it with someone who loves fall decor as much as you do. What are some creative DIY fall wall decor projects? Introduction. DIY projects not only save money, but also allow you to add a personal touch to your fall decor. Here are some creative and easy DIY ideas that you can try this season. Pumpkin wall art. Use fabric, paper, or even old wood to create pumpkin-shaped wall hanging. Paint them in different fall colors or patterns for a whimsical, customized look. Mason jar sconces. Fill mason jars with fall-themed items like acorns, mini pumpkins, or dried flowers, and mount them on wooden boards to create unique sconces that add a cozy, rustic vibe. Leaf garland. Create a garland using artificial leaves and fall colors. String them along walls, around windows, or above doorways to bring the outdoors in. Looking for more DIY inspirations? Check out the playlist in the description for more creative ideas. How can I create a cohesive fall theme with wall decor throughout my home? Introduction. Consistency is key when it comes to seasonal decor. A cohesive theme ensures that your fall decor flows smoothly from room to room, creating a unified look. 1. Choose a central theme. Whether it's pumpkins, harvest, or woodland creatures, select a central theme and incorporate it into your wall decor across different rooms. This could include similar artwork, wall decals, or thematic wall hangings. Coordinate colors. Use a consistent color palette in your fall decor throughout your home. This might mean carrying over a specific shade of orange or using similar materials like burlap or wood in multiple areas. Repeat key elements. Use repeated Repeat key elements. Use repeated motifs, such as leaves or acorns, in various forms across your decor. This can be in the form of prints, 3D wall art, or even wall stickers. Don't miss out on more fall decorating tips. Subscribe to the channel for more seasonal inspiration. What are some budget-friendly fall wall decor ideas? Introduction. Decorating for fall doesn't have to be expensive. With a few smart choices, you can create beautiful, seasonal wall decor without breaking the bank. Thrift store finds. Visit local thrift stores to find affordable items like picture frames, mirrors, or old window panes that can be repurposed into fall decor. Printable wall art. Download and print fall-themed art from the internet. Frame these prints for an instant seasonal upgrade at a fraction of the cost. Natural gatherings. Collect pine cones, branches, and leaves from outside. Arrange them creatively on your walls for free, natural decor that embodies. How can I incorporate lighting into my fall wall decor? Introduction. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the ambiance of your fall decor. The right lighting can make your space feel warm, inviting, and perfect for the season. String lights. Use warm-toned string lights around mirrors, art, or shelves to add a soft, inviting glow to your fall decor. This works especially well in living rooms or bedrooms. Candle sconces. Mount candle sconces on your walls and use candles in fall colors or scents like pumpkin spice or apple cinnamon. Flickering light adds a cozy, autumnal feel. Lanterns. Hang or mount lanterns with LED candles or fairy lights inside. These can be placed in hallways or entryways to welcome guests with a warm, fall-inspired glow. Want to see more fall decor ideas? Check out the description for links to similar videos. And there you have it, 6 creative and budget-friendly fall wall decor ideas that will transform your home into a cozy autumn retreat. Whether you're embracing natural elements, experimenting with color schemes, or trying your hand at DIY projects, these tips will help you bring the warmth and beauty of fall into every corner of your home. So why wait? Start decorating today and make your home the